So everyone's heard about ChatGPT by now.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
But have you heard it, like, actually speak?
Yeah, it's pretty wild.
Like, incredibly realistic, almost human-like voices.
Mm,
That's what today's deep dive is all about.
really getting into it.
Taking you behind the scenes with the OpenAI team,
Yeah.
uncovering the secrets of this groundbreaking tech.
Ooh.
We've got research papers, interviews, the whole shebang.
Wow, the whole 9 yards.
Yeah, so we're going to really break down how
but-
they made this happen.
Yeah, and it's about way more than just like cool voices, right?
Right.
This has the potential to like totally revolutionize
Hmm.
how we interact with information and technology.
For sure. Okay, so OpenAI, obviously they wanted ChatGPT to sound
Yeah,
incredibly realistic.
totally.
What was their, like, starting point for that?
Well, they basically started by training ChatGPT on just a massive amount
Okay.
of spoken language data.
Like, how much are we talking?
Think like years of continuous listening. Yeah, it's like immersing the AI in a world of voices, you know?
Right.
Letting it absorb all the nuances of human speech.
Wow, there's a lot of data.
It is.
But how did they go beyond just, like, simple mimicry?
Right.
We don't want a parrot.
No, we want something more.
Yeah.
So they use something called reinforcement learning.
Okay, I've heard of that.
Yeah, so think of it like teaching a dog to fetch.
Okay.
You reward them when they bring the ball back.
Right.
Maybe you withhold a treat if they like chew it up instead.
Okay.
So the AI kind of learns the same way.
Through trial and error.
Exactly. It
Yeah.
gets feedback and constantly improves.
So how do they measure that improvement?
It's like giving it a grade in a way.
Okay.
They developed a system where the AI gets like rewarded for
Okay.
sounding natural
Okay.
and then penalized for sounding robotic or, making mistakes.
Gotcha.
So this constant feedback loop, it pushes the AI to improve pronunciation, intonation,
Oh,
even its timing.
that's super cool.
Yeah.
But real-time conversations, I
Yeah.
imagine, present like a whole other challenge.
For sure.
Because there's that slight delay,
Uh-huh.
the latency,
Yeah.
that can really disrupt the flow.
Absolutely. And tackling that latency was like super crucial.
Yeah.
They managed to reduce it by over 90%,
Wow.
which makes the conversation feel way more natural.
That's huge.
Yeah. So to give you an idea of how impactful that is,
Okay.
imagine trying to have a conversation
Yeah.
where the other person responds like a full second after you finish speaking.
Oh my gosh, yeah, that would be so frustrating.
Right.
It wouldn't even feel like a conversation.
Totally.
Speaking of conversations,
Yeah.
we got to hear from Leon and Chucha,
Yes.
members of the OpenAI team,
Uh-huh.
about how they use this technology
Yeah.
in their own lives.
It's fascinating how they've integrated it into their daily routines.
Yeah.
Leon, for example, he uses it like a hyper-personalized travel guide.
Oh, cool.
So picture this. You're walking through a market in Bangkok.
Yeah.
It's bustling.
Uh-huh.
You hear a street vendor, but you have no clue what they're saying.
Right.
But with this tech, it's like having Leon's experience.
Oh, wow.
He uses ChatGPT to instantly translate,
So cool.
turning a confusing moment into like a cultural connection.
Yeah, that's amazing.
It is?
And then Chuchi uses it for, like, deep research dives, right?
Exactly.
Even debating complex topics with the AI.
It's not just about getting the information. It's about engaging with it
Right.
in a whole new way.
And then there's the whole accent thing.
Oh, yeah.
Never even considered that.
Mhm.
But ChatGPT can switch between accents,
It can.
like a South London accent,
Yeah.
to make the interaction even more personalized.
It's crazy.
Yeah, what other accents do you think they've got in there?
Right. It really makes you think about the possibilities.
Sure.
We're moving beyond simply reading information on a screen,
Totally.
This tech could turn learning into a dynamic conversation,
Yeah,
make complex topics come alive.
like actually come alive.
Yeah, in a way that's personalized and engaging.
It definitely feels like we're on the cusp of something huge here.
Absolutely.
What excites you most about this?
Gosh, I mean, where do I even begin?
Yeah.
Imagine personalized learning experiences, interactive storytelling, even AI companions
Right.
that truly feel like they're part of the conversation.
Yeah.
I mean, this is just the beginning.
They really
The
is.
possibilities are endless.
They really are.
What excites you the most about this technology?
Oh, man. There's so much to be excited about.
I know, right?
But I think for me,
Yeah.
it's the potential for, like, truly personalized learning.
Mm-hmm.
Like, imagine a world where
Yeah,
education is tailored to each student's
right.
individual needs and interests.
Totally.
Like, that's a game changer.
It is a game changer.
Yeah, and with these realistic voices,
Mm-hmm.
learning could become so much more engaging and immersive.
Absolutely.
It's not just about reading textbooks anymore.
No.
It's about having conversations,
Yeah.
asking questions,
Right.
and really diving deep into the material.
I love it.
It's pretty mind-blowing
It is.
when you really think about it.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'm super excited to see where this technology goes
Yeah.
in the years to come.
Absolutely.
It's going to be amazing.
I can't wait.
Me neither.
This is awesome.
It is.
I'm so glad we did this deep dive.
Me too. I learned a ton.
Me too.
And I hope our listeners did too.
I hope so too.
Well, that's it for today's episode.
Great talking with you.
Yeah, this was fun.
It was.
Until next time.
See ya. Bye.
Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. For more detail you can visit our blog website www.evergreentechtips.com.